to make, yes, set wallpaper. Okay, set wallpaper. I need to define a method here, set wallpaper. So it is giving red mark since I am not created the method. I am just creating. Okay, so I'll create now. So what should I create? What should I do? Upon clicking the change, I need to change the wallpaper accordingly. Correct? So you need to change according to the schedule. Correct? Now we need a timer. Correct? So my timer, okay, my timer I just mentioned is equal to new timer, close. Okay, so alt enter, so imported the class. Next, I have not defined the timer. Okay, I have not created the timer. I need to create the local variable. Okay, timer. Okay, I can do like this, or else I'll just mention timer is my timer. Okay, I'm just what did I do? I need a timer. Okay, so my timer is equal to new time. Okay, so what's happening there? Now I'll just say my timer, okay, should be scheduled the new timer task. Okay, new timer task okay, new timer task if, okay, if I'll take it as previous. Okay, I'll take it as previous. So previous is equal to 1. Before that, I need to initiate the previous. So I'll just initiate int prev. Okay, by default it is equal to 1. Okay, int prev by default is equal to 1. Okay, if it is 1, then drawable. Okay, if it is 1, drawable is equal to get the resource, dot get drawable r dot drawable dot 1. Okay, semicolon, enter. Then prev should be incremented to 2, semicolon. Yes, why is this drawable? It is getting red mark. Alt enter. We need to create a local variable, right? So I am creating drawable. The name I'll just give drawable. Okay. Now next, if my previous is equal to 2, then what should I do? Drawable is equal to get resources, resource dot get it from the drawable of resource dot id, resource dot drawable dot 2 semicolon, enter. Then previous should be 3 now. Okay, so if you are not returning, then it is coming like that only. Okay, if you are not catching the exceptions, let it be. Next, again, if, okay, so sorry, here else if, then else if previous is equal to 3, then what should I do? Drawable. Okay, I'll just copy paste it. You know this, right? Okay, copy paste it. Drawable 3. Correct? Do you want me to tell the statement drawable is equal to get resources, get it from the drawable, r dot drawable in the 3. Okay, you have stored as a 3. Why I'm taking 1, why I'm taking 2, why I'm taking 3. So this image should be changed. Okay, next, previous should be incremented by 4. Okay, next, else if previous is equal to 4, then same thing, drawable is equal to get resources dot get drawable r dot drawable 4. Correct? Next, previous should be incremented by 5. Next, else if previous is equal to 5, then drawable dot get resources dot get drawable r dot drawable 5. Next, previous should be 5. Previous should be 1 after 5. Correct? Next, after this, bitmap wallpaper is equal to open brace bitmap drawable close drawable dot get bitmap. Okay, bitmap 1 semicolon. Okay, so bitmap drawable we are getting. Okay, we are getting what are the drawable you are given, that we are getting. Then you need to try catch the exception, right? So you need to try and catch the exception. For that, what you are doing, so just enter, then catch this. Okay, try and catch the exception, alt enter, WPM. Okay, you are not defined the WPM. What is the WPM? Wallpaper manager. Okay, correct, wallpaper manager. Then you need to create in this WPM dot, okay, WPM is equal to wallpaper manager dot get instance of this. Okay, so that is with respect to here. You need to write it here. Okay, next you need to create a wallpaper manager variable, wallpaper manager WPM. Okay, so wallpaper manager you are creating or WPM wallpaper manager get instance of this. Okay, then Then you need to verify this, right? Interval you have not given, correct? Okay, interval you have not given. Try catch over, then void run over. Okay, in this you need to give interval. Okay, then close it. Now, what is this interval? Interval solution is, okay, you need to create a local variable int or long interval is equal to 30 milliseconds, 30,000 seconds. Okay, int only we can give. Okay, so int interval. So as per solution, as per duration, you are running. Okay, as per duration. What is that duration? 30,000 seconds. Okay. If she is asking, if VT is asking, change timings. So 15,000 seconds. What does it mean? 15 milliseconds. Okay. Shall we try for the 15 milliseconds itself? Now I'll just stop this. Then I'll run this program. Installing, launching the activity. It is successfully launched. Okay. Click here to change the wallpaper. So I'll just go outside. First one. Okay. Now you just I'll build it and I'll just send to you 15 milliseconds. Okay. Just check it out. I'll just rename it as wallpaper wall 15. I'll just rename it as. Okay. Then I'll send to your group. Just check it out. Okay. You got it? Okay. Any doubts? We have taken, first we have taken button. Okay. Then we have taken timer. Okay. Then we have created a method set wallpaper. Okay. After taking a timer, we are scheduling it. New timer task. We are running it. We have taken int preview is equal to 1. If it is 1, drawable 1, then increment with true. If it is 2, drawable 2, increment 1. Okay. Preview is equal to 3. Preview is equal to 3. Third image, next preview is incremented. Then fourth image, preview is incremented 5. When it is 5, fifth image, then again the cycle should happen, right? Again the first image should go. Next. So you are managing the bitmap wallpaper using the drawable resources, and you are trying to set the wallpaper using the wallpaper manager. Okay, dot get instance dot this there itself. Okay, so wallpaper manager, then catch the exception, and you are giving the interval of 15,000 milliseconds, that is 15 seconds. That's all. Okay, stop recording.